If this is really a Bugatti Chiron sitting here all these years, I'm buying it today and taking it straight to the shop. $700 for a forgotten Bugatti Chiron like this feels impossible, but I'm not leaving without it.
Emerging from the dust, the Bugatti Chiron reveals itself not as a pristine jewel, but as a warrior scarred by the elements.
Even hypercars collect the residue of the journey. This dust, these micro-abrasions, they speak to a life.
For Overland. The frozen wheel stance of the Chiron emphasizes its hypercar proportions. As the camera circles slowly, the
secured and ready for transport. The neglected Chiron is finally leaving the barn it called home. The journey was long, leaving its mark. Now, the restoration begins.
As you can see, the harsh lighting reveals the extent of the micro scratches on this glossy black paint. It's crucial
As the hydraulic lift ascends, we get a rare glimpse of the suspension hardware, coated in the grime of the open road.
Under these clinical lights, the imperfections become clear. Note the aged seals and the heavy accumulation of grime within the wheel wells. As the wheel clears the arch, you can see the sheer scale of the brake hardware and the dusty hub surface. As the wheel comes off, the true condition of the brakes is revealed. Years of neglect are evident in the caked-on grime. The 4 black multi-spoke wheels from the Bugatti Chiron are arranged neatly here on the workshop floor. They're dusty and worn. As the bumper slides away, we can see the intricate engineering and the surprising amount of road grime that accumulates behind the iconic copper trim.
A close look at the Chiron's structure. The detached nose reveals the complex network of cooling pathways.
These 4-module LED units are engineering marvels. Yet, a closer look reveals the subtle signs of use. Road rash and impacted grime along the leading edge tell a story of high speed. Detached now, the splitter is placed beside the Chiron with exacting care.
Beneath the pristine carbon fiber lies a different story, one written in layers of dust. Removing the mirror assemblies reveals the precise engineering underneath. Look at that dust ring.
When we remove the elegant arc of the C-line intake, we reveal the hidden truth. Layers of dirt and grime packed tightly within the seams.
Watch the edge right there. Set it down gently on the mat.
All right, it's clear.
The Chiron seats are built for performance, but this extraction clearly shows the wear on the bolsters after significant.
This level of disassembly reveals the true condition of the vehicle, the wear patterns telling a story of performance and use.
This meticulous process exposes the intricate network of wires and the sheer engineering complexity hidden beneath the luxurious facade.
What we see here is the nervous system of the vehicle. Thousands of connections hidden beneath the exquisite trim.
Beneath the pristine black carpet of this Chiron lies a forgotten world of trapped debris and aged foam.
Here we see the sharp geometry and the hidden clips, showcasing the meticulous engineering beneath the luxury.
Beneath the sleek exterior lies the complex W16 engine. Years of road dust and residue highlight the need for this deep cleaning service.
This low-angle shot highlights the engineering density. The heat staining on the exhaust is a badge of honor, evidence of the immense power beneath the carbon fiber. Removing the diffuser reveals the complex engineering that manages airflow and downforce on the Chiron. Exposed, the Chiron's brake assembly is a study in contrasts. The immense power of the black calipers meets the delicate corrosion on the carbon ceramic rotor. A closer look at the suspension reveals the intricate detail, marred by significant grime on the linkages and clear signs of aging on the rubber bushings. Few owners ever see this level of detail. It's a precision machine, yes, but after years on the road, the trapped debris tells a story.
The Chiron's harness is a masterpiece of organization. Every single connector you see here is meticulously labeled and sleeved to prevent abrasion.
Here we can see the extent of the degradation. Notice the brittle edges, and these deep impressions left by years of stillness.
Precision engineering is evident in every piece of this Bugatti hardware, showcasing the blend of strength and lightness. This is the Chiron stripped bare, the raw carbon fiber monocoque, a testament to its engineering. Disassembly becomes art. Every component is meticulously arranged, revealing the complexity of the machine.
Blasting away the accumulated grime reveals the raw beauty of the exposed carbon weave. This is where the real work begins. The high-pressure stream is essential here, penetrating the intricate grille to dislodge years of road grime. A focused stream erupts against the liners, dislodging the deepest grime and oily residue from the Chiron's wheel well. This is the Bugatti Chiron, draped in a blanket of snow foam. The thick, creamy texture clings to the snow foam process begins by lifting the embedded grime, ensuring a scratch-free wash for the Chiron's delicate finish.
The iconic C-line requires special attention. We use only the softest brushes to work the foam deep into these intricate...
We focus on the intricate horseshoe grille, using precise motions to lift the dark contaminants, revealing the pristine finish.
The signature 4-module lenses of the Chiron demand precision. We gently brush the thick foam across the lens, lifting. As the foam works its magic, the grime simply melts away, bringing the stunning copper trim back to life. The specialized formula activates on contact, turning the iron particles purple as it penetrates the deep layers of baked-on brake dust and road grime. The key is the deep clean, scrubbing the foam deep into the tread blocks. Watch as the degreaser turns brown, pulling years of road grime from the rubber.
We use a soft bristle brush first to loosen the trapped debris, followed by a narrow vacuum pass along the bolsters.
The Chiron's deep pile carpets require specialized care. This extraction process removes years of embedded grime. The diamond stitching requires a delicate touch to preserve the luxurious feel of the interior. The Chiron's interior demands precision. Every surface, from the aged aluminum to the finest Alcantara, is meticulously cleaned by hand. The extraction system immediately captures the expelled particles, critical for maintaining the sterile environment. The engine bay of the black Bugatti Chiron is coated with degreaser, softening old residue on housings, lines, and heat-stained surfaces.
The W16 engine is a masterpiece of engineering, but even it requires meticulous care.
The controlled rinse cleans the rear mechanical zone, carrying the softened grease away from these intricate pipes and housings.
Look at that reflection. It's perfect.
Yeah, these new towels really make a difference.
To properly detail the Chiron, we must get into every crevice. These brushes help reveal the authentic age marks beneath the grime.
Meticulous attention is paid to the airflow geometry. Brushing dislodges the packed dust, followed by a sharp blast of air to ensure every channel is pristine.
Using only the finest microfibers and purified water, we gently lift the grime, restoring the emblem's crisp detail.
The trim channels require meticulous attention. Lifting old residue sharpens the transition between glass and bodywork.
Here we see the meticulous process of restoring the Bugatti's interior plastics, ensuring every detail is preserved.
This specialized treatment ensures the leather remains supple. Notice how the conditioner absorbs.
This specialized brush gently lifts the trapped dust, revealing the rich texture of the black hide and the perfect gray stitching. It's these microscopic imperfections, revealed by the gliding light, that confirm the authenticity of the Chiron's carbon fiber.
Here in the clean room, the synchronized wash ensures perfection before assembly.
Nipples. The copper-orange accents contrast sharply with the exposed carbon fiber. It is only when the vehicle is this exposed
As we move deeper into the bay, the contrast between the factory finish and the accumulated grime creates a clear map for the restoration ahead.
To access the turbos on the W16, we must first detach the aluminum charge pipes. This reveals the immense complexity hidden beneath the heat shields.
Here we see the telltale signs of extreme heat. We're looking for any residue or age staining along these critical gasket lines. Every component, down to the smallest bolt, must be meticulously inspected and accounted for.
Corrosion is the enemy of performance. Using specialized tools, we meticulously restore every millimeter of the bracket to factory condition.
We're carefully block sanding the hood to remove the old damage. The contrast you see between the matte and the gloss shows the leveling process.
This meticulous sanding process transforms the damaged areas into a uniform texture, essential for the final paint correction on this Bugatti Chiron. Careful sanding passes erase old wear, tracing the dramatic curves of the hypercar's tail. It's a blend of art and engineering.
Tiny chips are corrected using this specialized applicator, blending seamlessly with the original contour.
Using an HVLP gun, the primer is applied in smooth, controlled sweeps, flattening any imperfections. In this pristine environment, every panel of the Chiron is cured to perfection, emphasizing the clean lines before the paint process begins.
The deep black base coat transforms the primer into a wet, mirror-like finish, stretching across every contour.
A second pass is crucial, intensifying the black and allowing the booth lights to stretch into these elegant, luminous lines. Achieving this level of contrast demands absolute precision. Every millimeter of the copper accent must be masked flawlessly before the clear coat.
The copper-orange accents breathe new life into the Chiron, a perfect fusion of metallic warmth and glossy black. The rich, clear coat floods the panels, magnifying the depth and reflections. The surface tension is perfect.
Notice the sharp contrast of the copper trim against the deep black gloss.
The Bugatti Chiron wheels undergo meticulous process. Stripped down, they are recoated with a high-gloss finish, restoring their premium identity.
As you can see, the gloss is absolutely flawless. This wheel is now fully protected and ready for the road.
Every component is refinished to the highest technical standard, restoring mechanical dignity without an artificial sheen. The W16 engine is a masterpiece of engineering. Every single component must be meticulously restored to factory condition. The meticulous process demands perfect fitment. Once the new gasket is precisely aligned, the torque...
Replacing these fluid lines requires meticulous attention to detail. Every clamp must be secured to factory specifications. We use specialized tools to meticulously clean each pin, preventing any potential resistance issues.
True luxury is found not just in the dramatic exterior, but in the hidden reliability beneath. A pristine battery bay ensures flawless performance.
The process involves detailed cleaning and the installation of new bushings. Each bolt is torqued to exact As the heart of the Chiron is reassembled, the tolerances are measured in microns. It's a meticulous process, ensuring
a measured sequence of mechanical layering, the structural pieces and carbon fiber covers returning to the W16 engine with absolute precision.
Securing the mechanical heart of the Chiron requires meticulous attention to detail, ensuring every component is locked precisely into place.
This routing is critical for the thermal management. Make sure the harness is clipped exactly here.
To handle nearly 1,500 horsepower, the intricate cooling system is vital, a true masterpiece of engineering returning to the chassis. We guide the caliper over the carbon ceramic rotor, ensuring precise alignment before securing the specialized bolts with the digital torque wrench.
The intricate multi-spoke design is finally mated to the hub.
A precise application of torque ensures
The final correction pass reveals the true depth of the black paint, enhancing the contrast of the copper accents against the now liquid smooth surface. The cleaned and restored headlight units return to the black Bugatti Chiron, their 4-module design now crystal clear.
As we track along the seams, you can see the flawless integration of the carbon fiber. The alignment must be absolutely exact.
After months of dedicated work, the Chiron shell emerges, a testament to precision engineering and unparalleled craftsmanship. Meticulously reinstalled, these plush carpets transform the cabin. Every fiber is placed with precision, restoring the vehicle's luxurious feel.
To achieve the signature quiet ride of the Chiron, we meticulously install these hidden acoustic layers, focusing on every precise cut and seam.
The dashboard assembly returns with mesmerizing precision, restoring the Chiron's sculpted luxury architecture.
The console aligns precisely, emphasizing the tight tolerances of Bugatti engineering.
The key to a perfect restoration is maintaining the natural patina. We clean and condition the leather.
In every detail, from the carbon fiber trim to the precisely aligned seating, emphasizes the Chiron's balanced luxury and focused geometry.
The clean panels are returned with surgical precision, ensuring every stitch and fiber aligns perfectly with the Chiron's frame. This is where raw power meets exquisite craftsmanship. The pedals are not just functional, they are sculpted works of art in brushed aluminum.
The finishing touches on the Chiron's roof liner highlight the dedication to detail. It is here that
Here is the wrench, already calibrated. Thank you.
The panel is perfectly aligned now, flawless integration.
The restored front bumper returns, showcasing the iconic horseshoe grille and copper orange trim. It settles into factory-sharp symmetry.
we are perfectly aligned. Go for the lock sequence.
Hood secured.
The iconic side C-line trim and intake pieces click back into the black Bugatti Chiron, restoring the unmistakable profile and flowing silhouette. The installation of the rear fascia completes the wide tail architecture, showcasing the mechanical depth beneath. The restored rear diffuser returns to the black Bugatti Chiron, with crisp edges and clean underbody alignment. The reflections must be perfect, gliding across the surface without distortion. This is the Bugatti standard. After months of meticulous work, the Chiron returns to Earth. Every component restored, every surface flawless. It is ready.
The meticulous restoration ensures that every line, every curve of this Chiron remains true to its heritage. And now, for the first time, the Chiron awakens, the culmination of countless hours of meticulous restoration. Witness the Chiron, where power meets artistry, redefined for a new era.
The Bugatti Chiron. A masterpiece of engineering, its signature grille and low stance define the hypercar aesthetic.
The Bugatti Chiron. A masterpiece of design, gliding effortlessly between power and elegance. The Chiron's W16 engine propels it forward, an engineering marvel slicing through the very air it consumes. It's the Chiron, a symphony of power and precision, redefining the limits of speed.
The multi-spoke wheels blur at speed, offering only glimpses of the advanced braking hardware within. Note the flawless copper accent line.
This is the Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of design where the iconic C-line meets raw power and luxury.
This restored Chiron demonstrates its balanced confidence, hugging the apex with incredible precision.
This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece of engineering and design.
A masterpiece of engineering, captured in a moment of stillness.
If you want to see more forgotten legends brought back like this Bugatti Chiron, hit subscribe and stay with me for the next revival.